I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight assemblies on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get started. We're going to take this cover off, just use a trim tool, get under the push pins, and just pop those out. And it slides right off. Take this screw out, use a 10mm ratchet wrench. Take that out. Now down below, I'm going to use an extension and a 10mm socket. We're going to take this bolt, loosen this up, take that out. Now you want to use a magnet, get down there, grab that bolt. Using a magnet, slide that bolt out. In the inner fender well, there's a access door. We want to pop the push pin out. Just use a trim tool. Get underneath there. Pop that out and slide the door open. Now inside here, you're going to see a tab. You want to take that and you want to push that up. That's going to separate the back side of the headlight. Now grab the light assembly. You can just pull it out, or you can always push it from the back side. There's a little ball and socket right here that's just pushed in, so you may have to use a little bit of force there. I'll disconnect the connectors. There's some push pins holding the wires on. Just want to pop those out. You can use the trim tool if you need to. Push down, slide that off. It's a little lock right here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Slide the lock up, push down on the tab, and disconnect it. And we're going to connect the connectors. Push that in, make sure it locks in place, and then push down on the lock. Slide the retainers in place. Connect this connector. Push down on that lock. Push those in place. So that's lined up, just push it in place. You can go underneath, reset that lock. Then we're going to reach in and pull down on the lock, lock that in place, and push the door in place. Take the push pin, get that started, lock it down. Take the bulb, I'm just going to put it on the magnet. Get that lined up down below. Try to get that started the best you can. And using the extension. Snug that down. Take this bolt, get that started, and we'll tighten that down. And just snug it down. Take the cover, line it up, get all the push pins started, just lock them down. That's good. Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure. making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.